Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
Hey, Mike
stand in your way.
Today's video is called You Are Who You Meet. You know, back in the day, they used to have a saying that was called You Are What You Eat. You are who you meet. Well, let me explain both of them. So, who or what you eat. You are what you eat. And I've used that expression many times. It's what you put into your body. If you eat garbage, you know your body's going to be full of garbage. If you eat crap and stuff that's not healthy for you. Now, I have cheat days. Okay, so I want to clarify some things. People think, and I have gained a little weight. I will admit that, although I'm trying to lose weight and I'm on a slow carb, low carb diet. The reason I've gained weight's got nothing to do with the types of foods I've eaten, because I do those on my cheat days. I eat my fried egg sandwiches and some of the other, quote, less healthier foods. Now, if you look at my overall 800 plus videos that I have out there, most of them are healthy. I'd say over 400 or 500 of them I have very healthy videos on why you should eat certain foods and healthy things that are good for your body, and goes toward what we're talking about in You Are What You Eat. And also what you put in your system in terms of anything that you drink, anything that you ingest in terms of supplements, and all the healthy nutrient-rich foods. That's going to make you be healthier and live a healthier, happier life. But this video is called You Are Who You Meet. And by that I mean it's the same thing. If you meet negative people and they're really kind of like this heavy load on your shoulders, well, it's up to you to say, okay, nice to meet you, bye. I'm not going to follow up any time with you. I don't want to spend another second with you, because those people suck the energy from you. If you have family members that are negative and angry and just have issues, and I know how that feels because, you know, I have some family members that are like that, they're just a burden on you. And even if you try to reach across the table and try to make that work, no matter what you do, if they still are unwilling to make that work, then, you know, see you later. You're not worth it, even if it is family. I mean, and that's your choice. If you think that you should sacrifice all of your life, and this is the only life you have, by the way, for people that are just hangers-on, or people that are going to bleed you dry, or people that are just going to suck the soul from you, just people that aren't going to be worth the effort, then those are decisions that you make. But I suggest that you carefully analyze them and don't go there. You are who you meet, which is, conversely, we talked about the negative side. Let's talk about the positive side. If you surround yourself by intelligent people, by happy people, by positive people, by people that are going to take you to that next level, you're going to grow as a person. You're going to get up to that next level mentally, physically, spiritually. Everything that you need to do to become the better you, to become the person that you were put on this earth to be. If you surround yourself with positive people, so meet people that are smart. Go out and volunteer with people that are doing something that's constructive. Hang out with people in your work environment that want to be successful. People that are smarter than you, that are doing things at that next level, that want to get to the next level, the same level you want to get to. You have to hang out with those folks. You have to pick their brains. You are who you meet. If you just sit there and go, oh, everything's bad, what do you think? Oh, you agree with me? I'm just going to be a big whiny bitch? Well, that's what you'll end up as, a whiny bitch, a big loser. Don't do that. You are who you meet. Put yourself in a position to be with people that excel, people that are smarter and stronger than you, people that have the same beliefs as you in terms of positivity. You can have the same beliefs, but it's negative. Those are called Trump supporters. And put yourself in a position to be successful and to grow and to not be negative and to get to that next level, to be that person that you need to be and have that purpose-driven life that you're put on this earth to do. You know, I feel like we're all put on this earth to do something that's very, very important, and that is to be successful find that one thing that makes you that special person and to be successful in that endeavor. And your job, your journey is to find what it is in you. I found it in me. It's helping people, it's mentoring people, it's developing people, it's entertaining people. It's doing a lot of the things that I do at Live Life 365 in my regular everyday situation where I touch and I get through to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people daily and millions over the course of the last 10 years to help change their life for the better, help entertain them, help give them just something each day to make them happy. But conversely, if there's negativity, if there's people that aren't doing the things that I feel are progressive and and the agenda that I want to push forward, I don't deal with them. You are who you meet, and if you meet the negatives and keep them in your circle of friends, well, that's going to be a bad circle of friends. So it's up to you to be endeavored by the successful, focused, motivated, happy, positive people that out there that are going to make you the person that you should be. So think about that. This is a very important video, and I think that you need to take to heart what I'm telling you. And take it from me, Mike Foster. I don't want to brag, but I'm very, very successful, very happy, very focused, living a purpose-driven life, healthy, happy, and enjoying it. These are all the things that you should try to do and stay positive. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let's see if we can take you out with this. Live life. Live life. 365. Sweet Babu, peace. Doesn't that sound like good? Bada boo.